Hello guys, Reda here. Welcome to our sixth research report already. This time it's going to be on ORIGINTRAIL, ticker name TRAC. At the end of the research report, we're gonna do some technical analysis on the chart itself. So enjoy the video. Always read the disclaimer before you continue this report for your own safety. So a short introduction to ORIGINTRAIL. ORIGINTRAIL began with a focus on improving logistics in supply chains by allowing companies to track products more efficiently. It helps ensure that products move smoothly through the supply chain and any issues are quickly identified by the ORIGINTRAIL team. One of its key strengths is its ability to digitize any real-world assets, or as we know, right, real-world narrative (RWA), basically tokenizing anything, meaning that physical assets can be represented and managed in the digital world. This opens up new possibilities for tracking, ownership transfer, and validation. Another major benefit of ORIGINTRAIL is its ability to guarantee the veracity or truthfulness of the information stored within the blockchain. This ensures that the data companies and individuals rely on is accurate, trustworthy, and can be validated. So, how does ORIGINTRAIL work? ORIGINTRAIL works by utilizing two layers, the blockchain and the decentralized knowledge graph or DKJ. So basically a layer 1 and a layer 2. So the blockchain itself serves as a layer 1 and provides the trust and security needed to ensure that the system is reliable and tamper-proof. Then the DKJ functions as layer 2, where the real power of data organization and representation comes into play. It allows data about assets to be stored, retrieved, and managed in a flexible way. Additionally, the ORIGINTRAIL integrates AI to enhance the way data is managed, which improves scalability, allowing the system to handle larger data sets and more users efficiently. So again, ORIGINTRAIL has AI integrated into its system. Finally, right, the TRAC token itself is a key part of the system. It's used for staking, publishing data, and securing the network's nodes. This makes sure the network stays decentralized and reliable. Links, where can you find ORIGINTRAIL? ORIGINTRAIL has a pretty active Twitter account. You can see at this post. This was posted 5 hours ago when I made this research report. Right, they have many retweets, as you can see. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to their website. I think they have a Discord link, or in their link tree they have a Telegram. So yeah, basically the social media is pretty active there. This is a short introduction of their website. As you can see, looks pretty smooth. You can see the representation of the of their AI integration. You can see their partnerships. Take it with a grain of salt, of course. So yeah, their website looks pretty clear and easy to read, which is important. Narrative, like we have said before, and what does ORIGINTRAIL do? ORIGINTRAIL falls into the AI/RWA narrative, right? You can already see that ORIGINTRAIL was mentioned in a research report by Artemis. This research report was made on July 8th, 2024. You can see there, and they were named by other crypto coins into RWA, and they are measuring the future growth of these of this narrative. So please, again, take it with a grain of salt. It's basically all marketing, but it's pretty cool to see that. So tokenomics, basically ORIGINTRAIL already has all their tokens released. Even it says here 81.2% max of the supply. That's because tokens got off the supply, right? Not added. ORIGINTRAIL has been around for many years already. So not much to say really on the tokenomics. They also have still a fasting period, but again it says falling curve, right? So tokens are gonna be falling of the supply. You can see, and even if they're added, this is gonna have a 10-year right falling curve. It says here 10-year falling curve for incentives pool, treasury pool, and collectors pool. So again, there's no worry about any dump from the investors, because again they already have dumped their coins years ago, and there's also no team coins that I see that are being dumped. Investors, they've raised a classic ICO, because like I just said, ORIGINTRAIL is not a new project, it's a pretty old project. They did a classic ICO where they raised money from individual people. They raised around $20.5 million. Where can you access or buy ORIGINTRAIL? You can buy ORIGINTRAIL on major exchanges like Binance, Bybit, KUCOIN, or even Coinbase. The market cap as of now is 204 million. So it's classified as a mid cap. So that means it's pretty liquid. Also, revenue-wise, the only thing I could find is on their staking dashboard. So basically, this is the revenue from from people that are staking on their platform. So they generated already $2.1 million. This was from 6 months ago, so keep that in mind. Pretty neat, pretty good. I always like to see a blockchain that actually makes revenue. So as you can see, total network revenue is 2.1 million so far, which is pretty healthy. Conclusion. Like I said, I like the how the blockchain works with the layer 1 and the layer 2 combined. It makes the blockchain really efficient. They're also their advanced asset management. The way they can tokenize their supply chain, how they can manage their data, how they can validate that data, and I'm really excited about their RWA and tokenization of their products. They have a couple partnerships you can see on their website, like I think Walmart and some other partnership where they actually utilize these tokenizations. And also, like I just said, with the partnership, the growth potential, collaboration with large entities such as Walmart, and also I think Oracle as well. All in all, I think ORIGINTRAIL is a pretty nice play regarding RWA and the AI narrative. So that was for now the FA. Now we're gonna dive into the TA. Let's dive into the TA of TRAC. As you guys can see, this is a pretty old chart, dated back to 2022. ORIGINTRAIL has an older chart, right, from KUCOIN, but I use this one. This one looks pretty clean. It's from Coinbase. As you can see, you had a long accumulation period since the bear market in 2022. This accumulation was going for almost a year, as you can see, before the real breakout. So I've marked some key zones, right? First off, this zone right here, between this candle close here in January and this high and this candle close here, which aligns pretty well from the past. You can see this clear rejection from that point, rejection again here. If we go all the way to the right, you can see again rejection in the same zone. Plus it was a breakout zone as well. Plus you used it sometimes as support, and then again you can see two rejections again. So that's why I marked that zone as number one, as a potential future TP zone, but also a zone where you got rejected as well. Then you have, I marked up the hard line between the two zones, right? Exactly in the middle. I used the candle close right there from January again. You can see all that support being built, all those rejections, right? You can see there support again. Look at a clean rejection right there from 67 cents. And right now it's hitting at support from the wick from the 24th of January. Right there, very easy to see. You can see the clear rejection there as well. Supports, and it's holding that support again. So let's say we lose that level, then I'm aiming for 43 cents basically on TRAC, which aligns with this wick right there, and all this past rejections. If it would fall, if it would break 43 cents, I'm looking for something like this. Maybe we have a bounce again, right, and then we fall down, and then some real buying opportunities will be presented right here between 35 cents and 27 cents, because right now, right, TRAC has moved from 21 cents all the way up to $1.56, so it did almost like a 6x. Since then, it's been basically downtrending, right? It made a high, local high here in March, lower high, lower high, lower high again, lower high again, lower high, another lower high as we speak. So we have to see when the selling is going to stop. The only way we're going to see that when we have some accumulation going on, some more sideways action at the bottom. So looking for maybe a potential double bottom here, right? Or if it's if it's going to hold, then it should hold here at these lows as we speak, and then make a potential higher low here, and then continue, right? It's right up. But some key levels to break: 60 cents to break, 67 cents to break, and then a major breakout level would be around between 75 and around 85 cents ish for TRAC. And if you're looking for DCA levels, right? Then I would look for 43 cents, of course, with a tight stop loss, right, underneath these key levels or underneath this wick, under 45 cents. Major DCA zone would be right here, right? This would be a key DCA level here because you do have some support there made for TRAC. If I look at my EMAs, the daily 10 and the daily 21, you can already see that the daily 200, you know, was literally resistance for the last couple, I would say, months, right? And also the daily 10 was its red line, and the daily 21 as well. So for this to be bullish again, this thing needs to basically curl back up, and then the daily 10 looks like this, daily 21 looks like this, and then you have that bullish cross plus a squeeze, and then let's see if it can squeeze above the midline, also squeeze above the daily 200, and then this thing can start to be bullish again. But it's not looking, you know, that bad, to be honest, right? This thing still, it has some bullish structure in it, and I've seen some, you know, worse charts than these. So yeah, TRAC actually looks like a pretty, you know, strong still, but just returning to its means. And like I said before, I think 43 cents can be opportunity here, all the way down to 35, 27 cents. I will definitely, you know, potentially do some bits there. So for now, hope you guys enjoyed this TA, and see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.